So I just came across this article and I think it's really interesting. As of late, we're seeing, especially the past like 4 or 5 months, we're seeing the price of Bitcoin decline since its all-time high. And this has created, a very bearish sentiment in the market. And right now, traders are looking at the charts. Again, I'm not a professional day trader. I have my indicators I work with, but it doesn't necessarily mean I know what I'm doing when it comes to technical analysis. I would not consider myself a trader. At best, I would consider myself a swing trader, and I'd be in a trade for months or weeks. But even then, half the time, it won't be a successful trade because, again, I don't have the skills or skill set to trade as of now. But what I think many traders do overlook is fundamental analysis. So this article right here is really interesting, man, because it talks about the hash rate of Bitcoin, and the hash rate is a computing power needed to mine these blocks for the miners. And remember, miners are what secure the network, right? So what this article talks about is that even though the price of Bitcoin has been steadily declining, I think it's safe to say, especially for those of us who've been in the market, for quite some time, that it's just a matter of time, man. It's just a matter of time until we will see the price of Bitcoin start to rise and eventually hit new all-time highs. Keep in mind, last year from January to December, Bitcoin did about a 2,000% ROI. So it went from about beginning of January 2017, so around $800 to $900, hit $1,000. By, I believe it was December 17th, 2017, it was about $20,000, right? So that was an all-time high, a little above 20 grand. But it's been in a steady decline since. But in that 12 months, what I was getting at is that out of that 2,000% ROI on Bitcoin, 1,600% came within a 10-day period. Okay, so when this thing goes, it goes fast. It's just a matter of, this is a game of patience, right? So it's not just about looking at charts or listening to traders. You also got to look at the fundamentals. So one of the main fundamentals is the miner community, that is. In the hash rate chart, what this article is talking about is telling a bullish story. So right now, again, the sentiment is bear market. People are not very confident with the immediate future of the price action with Bitcoin in terms of it going up. Like I said, there's a bearish sentiment, but that's not the total story. For those of us who've been around, we're actually way bullish on Bitcoin. And it's just a matter of time. This is a matter of just being patient. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to do what you need to do with your money. I'm not here to advise you where to put your money. We're all big boys and big girls here, so you have to take responsibility for your actions. I'm just here to share with you what I'm seeing in the market, and hopefully you can learn a lot from this channel and really just look at more of the bigger picture as opposed to just really focusing on one perspective or one angle. So here in this article, we talk about hash rate, and let's just go to blockchain.info. So if you look here, this is the chart for the hash rate, right? So from December till May, as of now, the price has actually been going down. And I could probably bring up another chart. As a matter of fact, bring up this chart. You can see here, December 17th, I believe it was around there. Yep, was an all-time high. It was actually above, I'm on the daily charts, it was above 20, it was about 20,000. And it's just been on a decline, and now we're in May, right? We're about to enter June. However, if you look here, you see from December 2017 to now, the hash rate has gone up. So what this tells us is that more miners are joining the network. Now, miners are in the business of making money. They're not going to mine a digital asset that doesn't have a bright future. They're not going to mine an asset that's not going to make them money in the long run. So this is a telling story here, because according to this article and according to the way I perceive this as well, it looks like the miners know something that we don't know. And they're trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible while the price is still low. Okay, and based on what some of us believe, and again, this is still speculation, nobody can predict the future, but I think it's safe to say we all believe that the long-term vision or value of Bitcoin is going to be a hell of a lot higher than what it is right now. So just wanted to point this out to you guys. Again, you got to look at the fundamentals. Don't just look at the charts as well. But look at the fundamentals. More miners are joining the network. The network is even more secure than ever. And miners wouldn't be joining the network if they're going to be losing money. They're not going to allocate all this money for all these resources to mine Bitcoin if it's a losing situation, monetarily speaking. Other than that, guys, I just wanted to point this out to you guys. If you haven't yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know your insights as well, or your opinions, by leaving a comment below this video. Click the like button below this video as well so others can find this video and join the conversation. If you haven't yet, just go below again in this description, click on BitcoinBuddha.IO, join our VIP list, and we have a free gift for you. We'll send out a PDF for you to help you get started in terms of knowing what to do and what not to do when it comes to entering the crypto market. And also, you'll be on our VIP list, so when we do launch our course, sometime at the end of this year, you'll be notified ahead of time right away. And that, guys, hope you guys have a good day, and talk to you guys soon. Take care.